In this video you can see how to create YouTube video playlist. First, having logged into YouTube account, we need to click YouTube profile image. And again click YouTube Studio tab from the list. Next, in the channel dashboard, we need to click Playlist tab. In Channel Playlists page, we need to click this new playlist link to create YouTube video playlist. We can give an appropriate title based on the video topic to create YouTube video playlist. We need to keep the visibility of the playlist as public so that it can be found on search results, or for your channel subscribers to view it. These two other options are more private viewing purpose. And we are done creating the playlist. Now we can add videos to the playlist for our channel here. Here, we need to click Add Videos to add videos to the playlist. Next, here we have three options. First option, we can type and search any video on YouTube site and add it in the playlist one after the other. Second option, we can copy any video link on YouTube site and add it in the playlist. We will select the third option, in which we can select videos from our YouTube channel and add it in the playlist. And we are done with creating the YouTube video playlist. Here we can add keyword-filled description to our video playlist so that it can be found when similar content is searched on the internet.
With this we are done with the video tutorial. Please like, comment and share the video if it was helpful. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get video updates when new content is added.